This is one of my server, and here you can see while trying to enable the OpenStack repository, it is giving me error. You can see subscription manager repos minus minus enable is equal to OpenStack. This is the repository I am trying to enable. The system has no repository available through subscription. This is the error. So in this video, we will try to solve this error. And you can see the OS is RHEL 8.10. Okay. So everything is okay. Subscription is already attached. But while I am trying to enable the OpenStack repository, it is giving me error. Before starting this video, let me tell you I am going to start a new RHCSA batch. Course fee is only 999 and the course fee is very nominal because I want to enroll only the candidates who are really interested to learn Linux. The course highlight is it is job oriented and you will get 100% practical. You have to attend 20 classes. Each class duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and also you will get all class recording as well as the PDF materials. So if you want to really learn Linux, please register yourself using the link given here, as well as you will also get the link given in the description section. Let's start the video. Now go to etc pki product. Here you can see 479.pm. This is the certificate here. I will try to move the certificate from the directory, so that I have to create a directory in /root. Now move the certificate. Certificate moved. Now check. Now what will do? I will try to again enable the repository. It will take little bit time. You can see repository OpenStack is enabled for this system. Issue resolved. So this is the way whenever there is a error while enabling the repository, you have to follow. So I believe this video is helpful for you. And let me tell you again, if you want to register yourself for the online class to learn Linux, please register yourself using the link in the description section. Thanks for watching.